In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a website on DigitalOcean with this beginner's guide and quick tutorial. If you're new to web hosting or just looking to create a simple, effective online presence, this guide will walk you through each step of the process so you can get your website up and running without any stress. First, head over to DigitalOcean.com. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and complete the registration process. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email and password. If you already have an account, simply click Log In. It's important to remember that DigitalOcean requires you to add a payment method before allowing you to create servers, so make sure to have your credit card or PayPal account ready. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on the Create button and select Droplet from the drop-down menu. This is where we'll configure the virtual server that will host your website. For the operating system image, you have the option to choose Ubuntu, or if you're specifically looking to set up a WordPress site, you can select WordPress on Ubuntu. Both options are quite beginner-friendly. However, WordPress on Ubuntu will allow for a more straightforward setup if WordPress is your platform of choice. Next, you'll need to select a plan that suits your needs. For beginners, the $5 a month basic plan is often a sufficient starting point. It offers enough resources for most small to medium websites, ensuring they run smoothly without too high a cost. After choosing your plan, select a data center region. Choose a location that is geographically closer to your primary audience for better load speeds. The latency and access speed of your website can be crucial to delivering a good user experience, so this step shouldn't be overlooked. For access security, you can add an SSH key for secure login without passwords, or set a password if you're not comfortable managing SSH keys just yet. Both methods are secure, but SSH keys are widely recommended in the industry for their enhanced security. When you're ready, click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will take a few moments to configure and deploy your server, after which you will have a brand new droplet ready to go. You can then copy your droplet's IP address. This is crucial as it will be how you connect to your server. Open your web browser and type in the copied IP address. Doing this will allow you to see your website or server page live. For those who already have a domain, the final optional step is to log into your domain registrar and point your domain's DNSA record to your new droplet's IP address. This will help you manage your domain settings and link them to your DigitalOcean server seamlessly. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting your website up and running on DigitalOcean. Happy hosting!